Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to view full Cash App card number in app. In order to view your full Cash App card number, you just need to open the Cash App. So first thing, open your Cash App application on your smartphone and log in. Next, you want to tap the card icon on the bottom left of the home screen. After which you would need to go ahead and look if the lock card feature is enabled. You just need to toggle it off. This will activate the eye icon. And then the tap on the eye button on the top right of the card image. And you might be prompted to enter your PIN or use your Face ID, Touch ID for verification. And once verified, the full card number, expiry date, including your CVV will be displayed. And you will be able to view your full Cash App card number in app itself. And for some reason, if you are unable to see it, so then as I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure to disable the lock card option from the settings, or maybe you could go ahead and explore settings you might have enabled two-factor authenticator or any sort of page, or else try restarting your device. That could also be able to help. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.